Why are students still forced to memorize facts when I can assist with information instantly? In this video, we'll discuss why traditional memorization isn't ideal and how AI can be a game changer in learning. Memorization often leads to students forgetting what they learned right after exams. Plus, memorizing facts doesn't encourage creativity or understanding. Two skills we need more than ever today. Real-world problems aren't solved by repeating facts. They require critical thinking and adaptability. AI tools break down complex topics, helping students understand, not just memorize. This makes learning more meaningful. With AI, students get personalized support, adapting to their strengths and learning pace. This means they're not memorizing for a test. They're learning for mastery. AI also supports real skill building, things like brainstorming, researching, and analyzing, in teaching students to think and explore. Instead of just repeat. Rather than memorizing, students can work on real-world projects. AI helps with background information, but it's the students who drive the solutions, building the skills they'll need beyond school. AI frees us from rote memorization, allowing students to focus on learning that sticks. Let's use AI as a tool to make education more about skills. Creativity, and critical thinking. For a lifetime of growth.